Oi, what's up everybody, how you doing guys? Welcome from Seminyak and legendary Eat Street in Seminyak. For at least last 10-15 years, one of the most popular places in whole entire Bali. Unfortunately not right now, but still busy enough guys, so optimistic. And I never forgot about this place, so I will show you time to time, and today is the day I will stroll a little bit around and show you what's going on. It's actually surprisingly busier today than I thought originally, so it's cool. This place is very popular for the breakfast, and I will show you overall the main street right now. So at morning there are so many breakfast places, and the entrance to the Seminyak Square Mall, and one of the restaurants here and the junction where the three main roads are going, actually one-way roads. I mean, at least this one is one-way road. And then you can go to Kuta. There's also one hotels there inside the parking, and little bazaar. And overall, as you can see, very funny situation on the road here because it's one way. But if you're going by bike, theoretically you can go also there. And actually also people coming from this side and that side. But today, on today's video, of course, I'm going that side where I'm facing my camera right now. Just gonna try to cross the street peacefully and not let myself or somebody drive over me. All right, let's go. I've been here actually few times, well, many times. And if you count all my videos from Seminyak, how many times I've been here, over 3.5 years, at least once, twice a month. That's gonna gives you solid 50 videos from the street. That's for sure, without any doubts. However, end of November, last video in November 2023, why not? I'm gonna tell you, it's slightly busier today when I was filming here last time, like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, maybe, or something like that, or at least it was busy. Now it's not that anymore. Somebody is honking behind me. Oh, this guy, he got like this from taxi. Either way, that's the vibe here. This one is so slow. I don't know if somebody ever gonna open something or not, because the location is premium. Or at least 10 years ago, if you had a restaurant in this place, it will be successful for sure. Either way, the Revolver, the main Revolver restaurant, coffee shop actually is there. Yeah, many of you may be familiar. And yeah, let's stroll around actually. Shops, some lovely family going for the stroll. Bali clinic here. The car is gone, so probably they go somewhere. Motorbikes for a very convenient street in general to enjoy in Bali. A lot of plenty of food options, like a Greek restaurant here perhaps. Actually, when I'm looking at it, I would like to have a Greek food. It's been a while when I had it. But Winnie is not with me, so she will prepare something for me either way. Drifter, that's the shop from Uluwatu. They have a nice surfboards. Overall, Kayaya Street, which is the street what I'm walking right now, is considered as the 8th street. However, it's also boutique shopping street. And also, unfortunately, a lot of abandoned places like this one. That was some sort of nice boutique, but it's closed, abandoned, gone, and unfortunately, many more places like this one as well here. So this is like a pretty sad thing. Like I said at the beginning of the videos today, like for at least 10-15 years, this street was the top. Everybody wanted to come here. Everything here, if you from the business point of view, it was so expensive to start business and everything. Every vacant was taken, every place, and this street already at, well, 5:35 was starting to getting busy. Most of the restaurants were full every single night, but unfortunately those times are gone for the sake of the different places, and those people with the bike all the time. Gojek's now becoming like Ojek's long time ago. Ojek and Gojek, that's two different things, but technically now probably it is the same. Either way, they will ask you if you want to have a drive and change idea what I was talking about. Ripcore, Palm Lagoon, nice tropical vibe for clothing. Yeah, some hotel here. You can find some hotels, smaller hotels here, and enjoy the beverage by this one. Thank you, brother. He got so literally surprised as I showed him, and he go, like, this is the problem, because the vibe of asking for the drive bike and other stuff, if you know what I mean by other stuff, it's like too much. It's like Kuta. It's like definitely like a Kuta, and the amount of the sports bar is also feels more recently as the Seminyak become like a Kuta, because Kuta is dead. In general, not much is going on in Kuta, as we all know. So Kuta becoming moved to Seminyak, and Seminyak vibe with the so vibrant and flashy restaurants, and the crowds move simply to Seminyak together with Ubud. They sharing the position of number one. Even Uluwatu technically is busier than Seminyak recently, and clientele here in Seminyak recently, it fits more the Kuta clientele, and the Seminyak clientele what was here like at least 5 years ago fits perfectly Canggu, well, Ubud. Well, something between Ubud and Canggu, because it's not like they all just moved there. However, the many businesses are like literally moved there. What they established here, they gone there. So that's the hello, how are you? Thank you. Italian job. Friendly waiter. I always appreciate friendly waiters who wants to be on the camera. They working hard to promote their business, because unfortunately, like I said, Seminyak is not so busy. There was the rumors here a long time ago. Also rumors were like, I used to hang out in the rumors so many times when I was open, obviously, but it's gone. But somebody is taking the building over, so something gonna happen. At the front of this Circle K you can get your other stuff, unfortunately. And yeah, this is it. So many nice restaurants, but they're empty simply. And this one here as well. But they are nice. Some of them, they are totally new after pandemic, of course, that's good. Also good. And here was the Salazan, what is totally gone. But I think somebody took over the building, so hopefully they're gonna open something fancy and cool again. It was fancy actually, but opened in 2018. I remember actually very well, or 19 maybe perhaps. And yeah, but basically this is the Eat Street. So everything is changing, life is changing, conditions are changing, circumstances are changing, and of course the clientele and everything is changing. So that's the Bali. Like Ultimo, for example, is here right now, and there was Char long time ago. So like I'm making videos every single day since basically 7th of February 2020, like 2 months before officially pandemic started. But making videos every day since 7th of June 2020. So it's over 1,200 videos, and like probably 50 videos from this street. If you're watching every day or trying to catch up with most of my videos, you can, and you've been here also many times yourself, you can really feel the same thing what I'm feeling right now. So even the commentator is not necessarily needed right now, but obviously it's cooler to watch with the commentatory. Why not? So puppet show is still here. A lot of actually, luckily some construction and ongoing refurbishment. So it's the hope as the streets still have a potential. This is nice boutique inside actually. And it's also a lot of empty land left apart actually. Yeah, and then you can find the gaps like this one. Really not much is going on actually. Religion is still open. Somebody asked me last time. And this is empty land. Okay, they wanna build something maybe one day. Where was the Los Gringos? And then there will be Motor Mexicola. Sorry, not Motor Mexicola, La Favela, and Champagne Lounge. I will just see you there because not much is actually on this gap. Like for example here, the Goat, the gastropub in Seminyak. These establishments will fit totally perfectly fine in Kuta and Legian 5-10 years ago. 10 years ago, it will be super successful place, definitely, but definitely doesn't suit. I mean, maybe suits right now to Seminyak because, like I said, the Kuta Legian vibes moved to Seminyak. But you're not gonna find a gastropub like this one in Kuta, sports bar, gastropub in Kuta or in Canggu or in Ubud. just you're not gonna find it simply like that. So, like I said, every vibes are changing, literally. Okay, La Favela is here, one of the first places, this is the first place originally from the family of La Familia, and they are still here, and also the Champagne Lounge is here. The Champagne Lounge, I spoke with the owners during the pandemic here, make a few videos with them. They actually opened this establishment, one of the first on this street. Just behind this building there was the rice fields only. Now it's just so many villas, so everything is changing. Also there's parking somewhere there, very interesting. And generally beautiful weather in Bali, just suddenly, yeah, the situation looks like this one. Okay, if you're looking for drivers, there's no shortage of the drivers. Here, 1, 2, 3, they're waiting because there are potentially some happy visitors who would like to go with them. And also Bluebird, another 1, 2, 3, actually so many of them. No shortage of the transportation. And don't go with the lady. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, cool. That was cool, pretty enjoyable little stroll around. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow, as always. Another video, see ya.